person just got here that's delivering our food. They bumping. She left her car running and everything with her music going. I wrote my name super big on here. Here's the food. A crab linguine alfredo. Yum yum. So hey guys, basically a week has gone by. I just didn't really feel like picking up the camera for the past week, but now I'm back. I actually got my hair done on Wednesday and it's Friday now. So yeah, it's passion twists and I love them. They're so cute. I'm about to go out of the country, so I thought this was perfect timing for me to try to get my hair done, and it just kind of worked out like that for me to be able to get it done. And so yeah, I'm really excited that I got my hair done. You really can't see. Take this down so you can see what I'm working with. And then my clothes are black, so you barely can even tell, but these are the twists. I need to get some mousse for them because they're getting a little frizzy, and the one I have doesn't really combat frizz. So this is what they look like. I'm loving them, and they are super long. So, okay, you can't see that. You know what? Never mind. And I have a super zoom. I'll show you guys when I have them on something that's not black. So I'm actually uploading vlog 10 right now, which my mom has switched the Wi-Fi to AT&T when we originally was using Xfinity, and the AT&T one is not working. I tried to upload it with the AT&T one and it failed. So I'm uploading it again with Xfinity because I already know that uploads my videos. And I was trying to watch YouTube and it was buffering. Like, it kept spinning and spinning and spinning. I couldn't even do that. So I'm just gonna use this Xfinity one. Right now I'm at 28% uploaded. Good morning, folks. So I'm currently making coffee. It is 7:32 a.m. It's Saturday. I leave in 2 days to go to Thailand. I don't know if I probably did not tell you guys. I'm going to Thailand with Artistry, this makeup brand. You guys might remember me showing you guys this makeup stuff on my Instagram. But yeah, I'm going to Thailand for a week. I leave Monday and it's Saturday, so I haven't packed or anything. Of course my voice is still waking up, so sorry about that, but I need to still film some stuff before I leave. Right now I'm about to edit my how to retain the moisture in your hair video. I don't even know if I'm gonna name it that, but I'm almost done with editing that, so I'm gonna finish that up, and then I'm going to film my skincare video today, this morning. I'm literally still waking up, and this is decaf, so this ain't even gonna help. I'm using sugar in the raw, and then a little bit of cinnamon. Okay, so I'm about to edit quickly because I literally only have like 5 more minutes to edit. So I kind of just finished editing, and me and my mom are about to run to Walmart. So I'm just switching purses so I can actually take you guys with me, because my vlog camera cannot fit in this little purse. It's just not happening, especially with all the other stuff I be carrying around. Now I'm ready. Hope I got everything in my purse. We are now in the spray paint aisle. I'm looking at my mama because she does not want to be on camera, and she giving me the look like, you better not put me on the camera. And yeah, I think we're headed out now. Do you want to be on the camera? Let me see. We got similar hair. So she has braids, but yeah. So we made it back, and I'm about to sit down and film my skincare video, which coincidentally someone just commented on my vlog from yesterday and asked for a skincare routine. So perfect timing. You guys will see it on Monday. So I literally just woke up. I had to take a nap. I could barely keep my eyes open. I just woke up and I finished the how to retain moisture in your 4C hair. I really hope that title makes sense. For whatever reason, it just does not have have a good ring to it to me, but that's the only thing I can think of at this point. So that'll be up next Wednesday. It's actually Saturday, so this Wednesday. So yeah, I'm actually about to film my skincare routine really quick with no makeup on, because it's skincare. I guess I really don't feel like I need makeup, but yeah, so about to do that really quick. Okay, so I got my motivation back. I've been having a rough past week. I didn't mention it when I first started vlogging again, when I told you guys I hadn't picked the camera up in a week. I literally didn't want to do anything but just like work in silence and sleep, basically. So, oh my God, I think I'm looking at a spider. Hold up. Oh my God, it is. It's a freaking spider right there. Got the spider, but basically I got my mojo back. I just didn't have any motivation to film or do anything, and I think it was because I was just overwhelmed with the amount of stuff that I needed to film, because I'm about to go out of the country actually twice, because when I'm going to Thailand, and then when I come back I'm here for 2 days basically, and then I go to Canada for a Caravana festival, kind of like the Barbados festival that happens, like the really fun one with the feathers and the jewels and all that kind of stuff. They have one in Canada. So anyway, I was just overwhelmed because I wanted to make sure that I still had 3 videos each week while I'm out of town, but I've filmed 2 videos at this point in 1 day, and I'm about to start my 3rd video. So feeling a lot better, and also I'm feeling a lot better because I'm vlogging now, because I wasn't even trying to vlog either because I was just like not with it. I wasn't with it. I was just overwhelmed. But believe it or not, I was overwhelmed, but I like being overwhelmed, if that's weird or not. It just kind of makes me stuck sometimes, even though I kind of like it. So I'm about to film a lip swatch video. Actually, the lip swatch video is of the Anise Beauty Nude Liquid Lipsticks. And there's only 7 of them, so I think it'll be fine. I can do this really quick. And I asked you guys over on Instagram if you guys wanted to see a lip swatch video, and you said yes. So why not? Yes, I filmed 3 videos today. I feel so productive. I just finished swatching these shades right here, so that video should be up before you guys see this vlog, more than likely, so I will link it in the corner of this video. So yes, I am about to wind it down for the night. So I've taken off my makeup and I'm about to head down for the night. I will see you guys in the morning. So I finished setting up my skincare routine and how to retain moisture in 4C hair videos. So both of those are scheduled to post while I am out of town. Those 2 right there. I've just been packing for the past like hour or 2, and I pretty much have all of my outfits together. My room is a mess. But pretty much have all my outfits together, and my toiletries and everything, and shoes. Yeah, and I'm washing a few things. This is the most stressful part for me, just because we are touring some temples, and so I have to dress modestly, and I had already prepared my clothes basically, so I'm having to the last minute switch up a lot of things and create some outfits. I'm kind of stressed, but I'm done pretty much putting the outfits together, so it should be fine. In my perfect scenario, I would like to have some extra outfits, but I was already super stressed doing this, so I don't think I'm gonna be able to do any extra outfits. I'm gonna finish up packing some things for now, and then I think I'm gonna take a break and finish up later tonight. So it looks like it's the same day, but it's actually the next day. Actually, today is Monday. I leave for Thailand today in a few hours. It is 9 a.m., like 9:30, and I leave at 2:30 to head to Chicago first. So I just kind of finished up packing. Oh, I need to get my makeup brushes. Woo, that would suck. I did not have those. So my fan is going, so sorry that is loud, but I just finished packing up my brushes So these are the brushes that I'm taking. Literally, they're all dirty, so I'm gonna have to wash them when I get over there. I think this is the only clean brush right here. The rest of them are dirty. I just didn't have time to do that. So I'm going to roll them up and pack them up. And so yeah, what I was going to tell you guys was that I have the next week of videos planned. Skincare, how to retain moisture vlog 11, and the Honest Beauty lip swatch video. So yeah, so I have all of that set up. I just need a break. I feel like I've been going non-stop these past 2 days, like just trying to get everything together. And my biggest fear is that I'm going to forget something, but as long as I have like my chargers and my phone and my camera to vlog, no, I need way more than that. I was about to say I'll be okay, but no, I need way more stuff than that. But I do really think that I have everything that I need for the trip. I just need to get ready now, get ready for the day, because I do need to go purchase one thing, like my earplanes. You guys know, well, you might not know, I get really bad pains in my ear, like from the pressure. It's not just like my ears are popping, it's like excruciating pain. So I wear earplanes on the plane to help with discomfort, and it works. Like, it works. I kind of like to talk about those every time I go out of town, because I never know who just started following me, and you may be experiencing it, and they may have been keeping you from traveling. So I always like to say it just in case I can help someone with that. But anyway, I need to go to Walgreens to get those. I need to get a few pairs of those actually. So I'm in Walgreens. I don't know which one. Do I want the super soft? I think I do. Ooh, do I want a neck pillow or a regular pillow? I feel like a neck pillow would give me a crook in my neck. That's why I've never bought one. So maybe I should go with the pillow. Now I'm headed to get the airplanes I was telling you guys about. Let me see, did I pass it? They're right here. These things are the business. I think I'm gonna get 4. Wait, let me think first. Yeah, let's do 4. I may not use them all on this flight, but I will use them all eventually. Leave one for someone else. My mama. We're at IHOP before I go out of town. My dad too. Family portrait.